Essay Notes 2, Content. The first question we need to ask ourselves is, does the content address the subject specified by the assignment? Say we were given the writing prompt, explain the importance of reading to education. Body paragraph number 1, reading is educational. Does this address the subject specified by the assignment? Yes, it does. Body paragraph number 2, reading is relaxing. Does this address the subject specified by the assignment? Well, maybe. It was supposed to be about educational, but here we've added the idea of relaxing. We would have to find a way of tying these two ideas together in order for it to address the subject specified by the assignment. Are all points relevant to the topic sentence? Well, this is our topic sentence. Here is our paragraph. Reading is very educational. Here's point number 1. Math requires reading. Here's point number 2. English usually requires a lot of reading. And here's our final concluding point. Although this can be difficult, it teaches me a lot about literature and the world. Teaching. Are all these points relevant to the topic sentence? Yes, because we were talking about how reading was educational. The third question we need to ask, is the support concrete? Quotes are concrete support. Hamlet said, to be or not to be. Examples are another form of concrete support. Rice, wheat, and barley are 4 examples of grain. Reasons are also concrete examples. This is good because anything that comes after the because is a reason. And facts, names, specific names like William Shakespeare. Dates like May the 4th. May the 4th be with you. Or places, but specific places like Canada. Or numbers like 2.2 million people. That's a very specific number. Scientific facts like the boiling point of water is 100 degrees. And historical facts like Shakespeare died in 1616. All of these are examples of concrete support, and they make your paragraph stronger. So let's take a look at our paragraph and see whether or not our support is concrete. Do we use quotes, examples, reasons, and facts? I will need to read the explanation from the textbook in order to solve the problem. What kind of support is this? Well, this is a reason. Novels and plays. What kind of support is that? Well, these are examples. It teaches me a lot about literature and the world. Again, this is a reason why we should read. So, is the support concrete? Yes. Fourth question we need to ask, is it interesting? Is it a point worth making? Do we deliver what was promised? Reading is very educational. Well, that's not really an interesting point. Math requires reading. Even though math deals with numbers, I will need to read the explanation from the textbook in order to solve the problem. That's true, isn't it? This is a good point, but maybe not the best point. Novels or plays, well, these are examples, but they're not specific examples. Could we be more specific? Could we maybe name the name of a novel or the name of a play? So let's ask those questions again. Is it interesting? No, not really. Is it a point worth making? Well, we did make at least one good point, but maybe it wasn't the best. And also our points were not very specific. But does it deliver what was promised? That is, to prove that reading is educational. Yes, but not in the best way. So let's review. Number 1, does it address the subject specified by the assignment? 2, are all points relevant to the topic sentence? 3, is the support concrete? Do we use quotes, examples, reasons, and facts? Number 4, is it interesting? Have you made a point worth making? Does the paragraph deliver what the topic sentence promised?